Happy Fiesta! Let's cook crispy pata! Tara, i-pressure cooker natin. Put enough water to cover the pata. Lagyan ng salt, garlic, onion, ground pepper, bay leaves at star anise. Maliit lang naman po tong pata namin kaya i-pressure cook it for 30 to 35 minutes. Drain it for at least 5 hours. To add extra flavor, I fried garlic first on our cooking oil. Tanggalin na po natin ang garlic. This time, iprito na po natin ang bida, ang ating crispy pata. Let's cover it. Ingat lang po sa talsik na mantika. To make it crispier, add some water while frying. Pag luto na po yung kabila, pwede na po natin baliktarin. Napakaganda ng ating crispy pata. Try nyo na rin po, napakadaling gawin at napakasarap. Enjoy cooking!